Hi YouTube, it's me again. This is going to be episode 14 of the Drift Bus. It's going to be titled something like My Laziness Bites Me in the Arse Again. You may remember, or not, if you want to watch back, the water pump dramas. I also pointed out that there was, what the fuck was it? Oh yeah, throttle cable bolt that I'd bodged and fucked, and I was supposed to fix it and I didn't. And I mean, I told everyone at the end of the video I didn't do it because basically I'm a cunt. So it's been ticking over about 100 RPM more than usual, and that's because I put it back in slightly wrong, but that's no drama, it didn't make no difference. Last night the RPMs dropped back to where they was originally, maybe even 100 RPM less than that. So it's like, oh, hang on a minute, my bodge must come undone. So what I've done this morning, I've got out a ratchet 12mm, 14mm, so I can get the seat up on the driver's side again, get that engine cover out, and you can just sort of see the bolt head there, right? I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough access to be able to do anything properly, which means I'd have to take out the seat completely and then that entire fucking piece around the engine again, which is a cunt of a job. But if I have to do it, then that's what I'm going to have to do. Now today the weather's going to be like 27 odd degrees. I've got really high blood pressure. I can't deal with this heat. So I need to be getting this done as soon as I can this morning, as quickly as I can, as efficiently as I can, and as less bodgy as I can. Now that itself proves a bit of a problem because I don't have a tap and die kit. I lent it to the brother-in-law years ago and he lost a cunt, so I'm going to maybe try and get a bolt, cut 3 slits in it with the angle grinder long ways up it, like that, and see if I make my own tap. I don't know how successful that's going to be. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the wife to get in from work, and then I'll head down, grab some bits and bobs and head outside, and I'll bring you with me so we can see what the fucking score is. Judgy does, isn't it? Right, today I was going to be lazy again to cure my laziness, but as you can see, the bolt is here. You can't get fuck all in there to work that, to sort it out properly. I don't know if you can see, the threads are fucking cream crackered. I really didn't want to have to take the seat out completely, but I'm going to have to, and then remove the carpet and then this fucking piece again, which is going to be loads of fun. Fuck's sake. What's that sticking out there? Oh, is that something fell off my diesel pump? But I need to go and investigate this further, but it looks like there's a bolt missing there. Oops. Right, so things have escalated quite more than I'd anticipated. So seats coming out, the base thing's coming out, the carpet's coming out, and all that and metal work around the engine. So I'll bring you back. It's going to take me about 10-15 minutes. With you it's going to be like a few seconds. I've already found a replacement bolt for that. Nut, sorry. It's definitely one off the diesel pump that I've obviously A, not tightened up, or B, not put on in the first place. So yeah, we'll just have to fucking see. Like I say, for me it's going to be about 10 minutes. For you, a few seconds. Yeah, sorry about that little outburst. I don't know what come over me. YouTube, don't fuck me for that one. Otherwise I'll get the right ump. Right, so I went to strip it apart properly, as you can see. Lovely jubbly. The actual nut was down on the floor, well down here somewhere. I've chucked it on the floor because it looked a bit chafed up. Now the threads don't look too bad to me, apart from right at the end there. Can we see this? Yeah. But I've put a nylock nut on, and obviously it's not on. I'm just going to fucking tighten it up when John comes out with the right spanner for it. And I'm going to go with that for now. Next problem is this bad boy. I need to get some sort of thread in here without a tap and die kit. I've seen people cut 3 slots in a bolt and use it like that with a bit of oil and what have you and create their own, but I can't see that working very well, but that's probably what I'm going to attempt. Or I'm just going to force another one in it, like force it in and call it a fucking day. I brought Loctite too, so I mean, if there's no fresh fit to bind into though, what's the Loctite going to bind into? I don't know, we'll cross these bridges as we come across them. For now, let's get this bitch sorted. Right, if none of you have seen this trick, this isn't my trick, I see it on the internet, I don't know if it fucking works. You can watch me fuck it up and see if it does. Why is my focus not working right on that? There we go. Yeah, I've just got some slits in the bastard. I'm going to drive that in there with a bit of 3-in-1 oil. There, not sponsored. Monster, if you want to sponsor me, please do. Yeah, and I'm going to force that in and out slowly and see if I can cut some new threads, since I think that's like a cast aluminium piece or what have you, and these are steel bolts. Fingers crossed this will work. Yeah, you'll tell by my mood on the next clip. Today's gorgeous, gormless, well, Alpa is John. It started off as Lachlan, but he dicked off, which is good because he can't work the ratchet as good as John, so. Right, we've got all this fucking done now. I'm just banging it back together, lovely jubbly. If you know these buses, you know the drill. Nylock bolt on there, as tight as fuck. That'll come in going nowhere. And I tried to tap that out with my homemade tap, didn't fucking work. Tried to force another bolt in it, didn't fucking work. Found this Allen key thing that went in a bit fucking funny. Packed it out with 2 wash reed things and then jammed it in like a prick. Now it works. So, we're going to call that a fucking success. It's going to be one of them temporary bodges that probably turns into a permanent bodge. So, yeah, we're going to go with that. So I'm going to put this fucker back together before I do the fucking outro. But this one's just going to be a little short fucking video for you. Little update on, yet again, more of my motherfucking laziness. What can I say? There's a moral to the story there somewhere. But I'll be fucked if I know what it is. What an absolute tard. I'm sat here editing the video to bang it on YouTube for you lot to laugh at my pain, displeasure, whatever the fuck. Yeah, I realised I ain't done a fucking outro, so I've uploaded a load of shit, started doing all my bollocks and I ain't even fucking done an outro. So yeah, there you go, that's the story of my life. Not going around fixing bodges that I should have done properly the first time, and then bodging them a second time. So if you like that sort of shit, give us a thumbs up, fucking all that bollocks, subscribe if you like. 201 subscribers, thank you very much. To all of you that watch and don't subscribe, go fuck yourself. Yeah, to anybody else, enjoy the rest of your day. It's going to be a fucking scorcher today, so I'm going to be sat in front of my fucking aircon, so I best get cracked on with this fucker. So, till next time, go fuck yourselves.